Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Bringing you a brand new video on a motorized bike. This is another build that I have, and I was like, let me show people how to make the bike louder. So right down here, there's a bolt underneath your exhaust. You just pretty much unscrew that bolt. It's not gonna be that loose, but I just did it. But pretty much you take this cap off, and it pretty much makes your bike louder. When you do that, some bikes sound different and whatnot. But let me go ahead and show you what a bike without the muffler piece on. So, as you can see on this bike, I have no tip or whatever at the bottom. Let me go ahead and start it up for you, that way you can hear it. Bike gonna sound like. That's pretty much a little quick tip on how to make your bike louder without actually spending any money, completely for free. And if you want to make your bike quieter, again, just take a little piece, put it back on the bottom, and then make sure it's sealed properly on there. Like so, and then you put the nut back on and you got a quiet exhaust. Now keep in mind, wear gloves, your hands will get greasy.